Hey Lacey, it's Devin again. Thanks for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Andros Brothers Roofing. If you type in Roofing Lubbock, these guys show up right at the top here. I'm going to show you exactly how to beat them and how easy it is. You're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. I just found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. The only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I create these attack plans and just give them away for free. Most people take this information and just do it themselves. Some people call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm only here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off though, you've got a killer website. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the red, white, and blue. I love the really high quality video that just plays right at the beginning. Nice animations throughout it, really strong logo. This is a beautiful looking website. Now what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is all this content that you can read. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content, while you currently have 862. It's a great start. Now, by getting yourself to 1,500 words, it's going to allow you to fit in more keywords. A keyword is a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business, like Roofers Lubbock, for example. 150 people search that every month. Or Roofing Company Lubbock, 200 people search that every month. Roofing Lubbock, 250 people search that every month. So you can see if you were number 1 in front of those 3 keywords, you would be number 1 in front of 600 people every month. It's crazy. It'd massively change your business. And if you see, if I search up Roofing Lubbock inside of your content, it's not popping up anywhere, so you're not helping Google find that keyword. You can also not only put it in your content, but you can also save your images as that keyword as well. So like, for example, this image down here, CanTex, instead of roofing a construction truck, you can say CanTex Roofing Lubbock, and that'll help you rank for that keyword. So that is my first tip for you. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, not all backlinks are created equal. They want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this tool. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this same information. It says you have 41 websites linking to you, while Andros Brothers have 114 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I'd go to every single website that's linking to Andros Brothers and get them linking back to myself the same way they did. A lot of times it's very easy. Like, for example, Expertise, Yellow Pages, Super Pages. These websites you just either click Get Listed, create a free account, or join, and put a link in your profile back to your homepage. And that's simple. You've got a backlink from each site. So it's pretty simple. It just takes some time. But if you beat them in content, plus you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here. Now, I've got one last tip for you, and that's how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp or GAF, Angie, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, stuff like that. So I would figure out what directories Hartman Roofing was in, put myself in the same ones, and add a bunch on top. If Hartman Roofing was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. That's all I've got for you though, Lacey. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage with keywords inside of the content that you're trying to rank for, like Roofing Lubbock, Roofing Company Lubbock, stuff like that. Then you want to take the websites linking to Andros Brothers and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories on Hartman Roofing. Lacey, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. If you decide to go this route, the sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do just because your competitors are doing this right now. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting it done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. If I don't pick up, I'm probably with a client, so just leave a voicemail. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see you later. Bye.